On the Italian island of Sicily, customers who visit this hardware store get a lot more than tools. Located in the heart of the Mediterranean, Sicily is known for its natural beauty, friendly people, and fresh cuisine. The history of this Italian island dates back thousands of years, and the Apostle Paul landed on the island while being transported to Rome as a prisoner. In the city of Ragusa, Seventh-day Adventist church members are actively working in their community. One member, Giorgio, owns a hardware store in town. He is grateful that God has blessed, and his business has grown over the years. A few years ago, Giorgio wanted to do more with the space in his building, so he created a classroom inside his store. He invited the church to use the room, and today the Ragusa Adventist Church uses this space to teach Italian language and culture courses to immigrants and refugees. During the week, they also give food to those who are in need. Local restaurants and bakeries donate food to the church to share with refugees and immigrants. The people who come are so thankful for the help they get from the Ragusa Church, and the members are happy that they are able to welcome people into Italian society. Ljubi moved to Sicily from the country of Nigeria. He was forced to leave when a religious group threatened to kill his family if they did not take part in human sacrifices and other rituals. When he arrived in Italy with his family, he felt completely lost. Before long, Ljubi started attending classes in Giorgio's store. The practical lessons have helped him so much. Since graduating from the class, he has made friends with the church members and feels confident enough to support his family. The message of his song translates to, "Even if we've never known each other before, you are my brother. It doesn't matter what color we are. We are all one." Small groups from the Ragusa Church meet regularly throughout the week to connect on a spiritual and practical level. This youth group gets together to catch up on each other's lives and study God's Word. This is the perfect atmosphere to invite friends to be a part of their church's activities. It's a time for them to ask questions, learn, and grow. On most Sabbaths, this Adventist church is full. All ages contribute to making this church whole. Unfortunately, some weeks the church is so full they have to turn people away. Because of the congregation's successful outreach, new members and guests sometimes find it hard to attend such a full church. Giorgio and other members worship God with all their hearts as their church family continues to grow. Please pray for the Ragusa church members as they reach out to their neighbors. Pray for the people they are meeting, thanks to the outreach of a room in a hardware store.